Student, unlike we have as you know, we are doing chapter India's external relation, and we have done its subtopics like international context and the policy of non-alignment, Nehru role in Indian foreign policy, okay, and Afro-Asian unity. Okay, now we are starting our next topic, peace and conflict with China. Unlike the relationship with Pakistan, Free India began its relationship with China on a very friendly note. It means, as all of you know, that India's relation with Pakistan is not so good, uh, but with China, India's relation was good, and China was the friend of India. But because after the Chinese Revolution of 1949, India was one of the country to recognize the communist government. Okay, Nehru felt strongly that the neighbors of that coming out of the shadow of Western domination and help the new government at international law. Nehru thought that China was also the sufferer of Western domination, and it came out from Western definition, in Western influence. So it will all definitely help the new government of India at international fora. And but some of his colleagues like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel worried that China would attack India in future definitely, and but Nehru thought it was exceedingly unlikely that India will face an attack from China. Nehru was too much sure that China will never attack on India. That's why on Chinese border there was only paramilitary force, not the army. The joint, and so that both the country did a treaty of Panchshir. Panchshir, the five principle of peaceful coexistence. Okay, and who were involved in it? The Indian Prime Minister Nehru and the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai. And this treaty was done on 29th April 1954. Okay, and and this was the um, and 29th April 1954, and this Panchshir was the group of five peace principle of peaceful coexistence. And you can say that it was the direction, it was the instruction how the two countries, how the involved country would behave in the future. Okay, and India and China leader visited each other countries, एक दूसरे के देश में गए, and were greeted by large and friendly crowds. In short, I want to say that India and China were the good friend at first. Okay, but but in 1950 there was Tibet issue. This is important for your 4-mark question. What was Tibet issue? Okay, the plateau of the Central Asian region called Tibet. All of you know that on the map of India there is Tibet. On the map of India, on the map of world near India there is Tibet also. Okay, and the plateau of the Central Asian region called Tibet is one of the major issues that historically caused tension between India and China. The main reason of tension between India and China was Tibet. From time to time, at first their relation was good, but due to Tibet issue, there was a tension between India and China. From time to time in history, China had claimed administrative control over Tibet, and from time to time Tibet was independent too. In China always claimed that Tibet is the control over it, but and Tibet time to time independent also. In 1950, China took over control of Tibet. Okay, and large section of the Tibetan population opposed this takeover. But Tibetan people did not want to go under the control of Chinese. Okay, and India tried to persuade China to recognize Tibet's claim for independence. India at that time, India tried to tell the China that China should consider the Tibet claim for independence. China should leave Tibet independent. Okay. When the Panchshil Agreement was signed between India and China in 1954, through one of its clauses about respecting each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, India and China signed all of you know that in the last page we have done it. India and China signed a treaty of Panchshil, and according to it, both the country will respect each other integrity and sovereignty. India considered China's claim over Tibet, okay, and the Tibet spiritual leader Dalai Lama accompanied the Chinese premier Zhou Enlai during the official Chinese visit to India in 1956. In 1956, Chinese premier came to India, and their spiritual leader Dalai Lama, their spiritual leader मतलब धर्म गुरु होते हैं उनके, they also came with him, and he informed Nehru about the worsening situation in Tibet, and Dalai Lama told Nehru that the situation in Tibet was worst, okay, but China had already assured that India that Tibet will be given greater autonomy that enjoyed by any other region of China. But China said that Tibet is enjoying its autonomy like the other region of China. Means China wanted to control the Tibet, but said that he will also give freedom to Tibet also. Okay. Sensing that the situation had become worse in 1959, the Dalai Lama crossed over into the Indian border and sought asylum, which was granted. In 1958, Dalai Lama came India with Zhou Enlai. But in 1959, Dalai Lama came to India and demand for asylum, political asylum बोलते बेटा इसको, asylum means शरण ले लेना, and he demanded for asylum, and India accepted this. India granted this. The Chinese Dalai Lama crossed over into the Indian border and sought asylum, which was granted, and the Chinese government strongly protested against this. When India gave asylum to Dalai Lama, the Chinese government got angry. Okay. Over the last half century, a large number of Tibetans have also sought refuge in India and many other countries of the world. Okay. बहुत सारे जो रिफ्यूजीज थे वो इंडिया में भी आए चाइना से, और वर्ल्ड के दूसरे हिस्सों में भी गए. Clear? In India, particularly in Delhi, there are large settlement of Tibetan refugees. Okay, Dharamshala in Himachal is perhaps the largest refugee settlement of Tibetan in India. Clear? In Delhi, the large number of settlement of Tibetan refugee, and in Dharamshala is in India. And there was also a lot of refugees settled there. Clear? The Dalai Lama has also made Dharamshala his home in India. Clear? And Dalai Lama lived there in Dharamshala. In the 1950s and 1960s, many political leaders and party in India, including the Socialist Party and the Jan Sangh, support the cause of Tibetan independence. Clear? In 1960 and 1950, बहुत सारे लीडर थे, many political leader and party supported for Tibetan independence. They want Tibet should be free. And China has created the Tibet Autonomous Region, which is an integral part of China. Tibetan opposed the Chinese claim that the Tibet is the part of Chinese territory. क्लियर, चाइना ने फ्री कर दिया और तिब्बतन अपोज दैट इफ चाइना इज सेइंग दैट तिब्बत इज द पार्ट ऑफ चाइना, दैट इट मीन्स चाइना इज रॉन्ग. They also oppose the policy of bringing into Tibet more and more Chinese settlers. Tibet opposed that China is settling their people in Tibet also. Okay, and Tibetan disputes China claim that autonomy is granted to the region. Okay, and they think that China want to undermine the traditional religion and culture of Tibet. They think that China and Tibetan thought that China was trying to destroy their traditional culture, their traditional reason. That's why China is trying to control them. Okay, now we are repeating this. First of all, we will learn it. First of all, where is Tibet? The plateau of Central Asia region called Tibet. Okay. At first, India and China were the good friends. Second line, clear? And in 1950, your third line is, in 1950, China claimed over Tibet. Clear? And but Tibetan people did not like it. Clear? Fourth line, in 1954, Panchshil Treaty was done between India and China, and according to this, both the country respect each other territorial integrity and sovereignty. Clear? एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट देंगे. But when China trying to control the Tibet, India interfere in it. Okay, to help Tibet. In 1958, you can make it next point. In 1958, when Zhou Enlai came India, Dalai Lama also came with him. वो भी आए उसके साथ. Clear? In 1959, due to the worst condition in Tibet, worst condition हो गई तिब्बत में, Dalai Lama demanded asylum in India and India granted it. उनको अपने देश में शरण दे दी. And many refugees came in India, in Delhi, in Dharamshala. Clear? Dalai Lama remained in Dharamshala. Okay, Dharamshala in India, because Dalai Lama made his home in Dharamshala. Many political leaders, many political parties supported Tibet freedom, and China always try to say that Tibet is always try to control Tibet. Okay, but Tibetan opposing that China is trying to settle their Chinese people in Tibet, and they said that China is also destroying their traditional reason, traditional culture. Okay, their religion, their culture. So they were opposing that. Clear? Okay, today we have done peace and conflict with China. At first, both India and China were friends, and there was a treaty between both of them. That was Panchshil. But due to Tibet issue, there was conflict between India and China.